I completely ruined my neighborhood block party a few years ago with a cheap, unevenly heated knockoff griddle. Half the smash burgers were raw, and the other half were burnt to a crisp. Navigating Blackstone's massive lineup to avoid a disaster like that is honestly overwhelming. There are too many sizes, series, and combo features to count. Today, I'll break down my extensive hands-on testing of 7 popular Blackstone griddles to show you exactly which one fits your backyard. Stick around, because my number 1 pick completely changed how I cook outdoors forever. Seven, Blackstone Culinary 22-inch XL Pellet Grill Combo. When I first got my hands on this unit, I was incredibly excited about the prospect of having both a smoker and a griddle on the exact same cart. The idea of smoking a pork shoulder low and slow, while simultaneously frying up some eggs or searing vegetables right next to it seemed like the ultimate backyard dream. The griddle surface itself gives you enough room to handle a decent breakfast for a family of 4, and the pellet hopper capacity is generous enough for a fairly long afternoon smoke. However, after putting this hybrid unit through several rigorous weekend cooking sessions, the dream started to crack a little bit under reality. Trying to manage the temperature of the pellet grill while also maintaining an even, consistent heat on the flat top proved to be a frustrating juggling act. The heat distribution on the griddle side felt surprisingly compromised compared to a dedicated standalone Blackstone, leaving me constantly shuffling my hash browns around the surface just to find the elusive sweet spot to cook them evenly. Another major hurdle I ran into during testing was the overall reliability of the pellet feed system. On more than one occasion during a long, slow brisket smoke, I experienced annoying pellet jams that caused severe temperature drops inside the chamber, forcing me to abandon my griddle station to clear out the auger. This completely ruined the seamless multitasking experience I was hoping for, turning what should have been a relaxing Sunday cookout into a stressful, incredibly frustrating chore that required constant supervision. Furthermore, the sheer bulk and weight of this combo unit make it incredibly difficult to move around the patio or reposition for storage. Six, Blackstone Electric Griddle. I was initially drawn to this model because of its promise to bring the classic Blackstone experience indoors, or to apartment balconies where open gas flames are strictly prohibited. Setting it up was an absolute breeze. There are no heavy propane tanks to lug around, no pressure regulators to fuss with, and the clean, modern aesthetic looks fantastic sitting right on top of a kitchen island. The non-stick ceramic titanium coating is exceptionally slick right out of the box, making it a joy to flip delicate items like fluffy pancakes or flaky fish fillets. But the honeymoon phase with this electric model ended the very moment I tried to achieve a proper, restaurant-quality sear on my steaks and smash burgers. Despite letting the unit preheat for a significant amount of time, the electric heating elements simply lack the raw, aggressive power you get from Blackstone's traditional gas burners. When I loaded up the surface with cold, heavy meat, the surface temperature plummeted dramatically, and instead of getting that beautiful, crispy Maillard reaction on the beef, my burgers essentially just steamed in their own juices. The nonstick surface, while fantastic for easy, wipe-down cleanups, actually became a massive hindrance during my durability testing over the following weeks. Unlike traditional cold-rolled steel, which gets tougher and better with every layer of seasoning you apply, this ceramic coating requires a terrifying level of delicate handling. I had to ditch all my favorite heavy-duty metal spatulas and scrapers in favor of soft silicone and plastic tools, which made pressing down heavy smash burgers or vigorously chopping up Philly cheesesteak meat physically awkward and surprisingly difficult. To make matters worse, the grease management system on this Electra version just didn't perform up to the high standards I expect from the Blackstone brand. 5. Blackstone 28-inch Griddle. Stepping back into the realm of traditional gas-powered cold-rolled steel was a massive breath of fresh air during my testing process. This is the exact foundational model that built the Blackstone legacy, and the moment I fired up those two H-style burners, I completely understood why. Pumping out roughly 34,000 BTUs of raw heat, this griddle provides a beautifully wide and versatile cooking canvas that heats up incredibly fast and holds that heat brilliantly once it has been properly seasoned. What I really grew to appreciate about the 28-inch size is how perfectly it hits the sweet spot for the average family household. I was able to comfortably cook a dozen large burgers, perfectly toast all the buns, and grill a massive amount of caramelized onions all at the exact same time without ever feeling cramped for space. The dual-zone heating allows you to keep one side blazing hot for a hard, aggressive sear while keeping the other side on a gentle low to keep your finished food perfectly warm without overcooking it. During my extended weekend tests, the patented rear grease management system proved to be an absolute lifesaver. Scraping the surface completely clean after cooking a massively messy batch of saucy chicken fajitas took mere seconds. All the excess oil, stray food scraps, and charred bits just slid effortlessly right into the rear catch, letting me get back to entertaining my guests instead of scrubbing down my cooking station. The sturdy powder-coated steel frame also held up flawlessly to my aggressive scraping and heavy, repetitive use. If there is one specific thing this griddle excels at, it is pure, unadulterated value for your money. 4. Blackstone Bronco. Taking everything I loved about the standard 28-inch model, the Bronco elevates the entire cooking experience by integrating a beautifully designed, heavy-duty painted hood. Testing this unit was an absolute revelation when it came to cooking foods that require ambient heat. Suddenly, melting thick slices of sharp provolone over a massive pile of steaming cheesesteak meat took mere seconds simply by pulling down the lid and trapping all that glorious steam and heat inside. The addition of the hood completely changed my approach to cooking thicker cuts of meat directly on the flat top. I was able to sear incredibly thick pork chops on the screaming hot steel surface, and then quickly close the hood to let them bake evenly all the way through without drying out the exterior. Furthermore, from a practical standpoint, the hood completely eliminated my anxiety about leaving the griddle sitting outside on the patio. It keeps the cooking surface flawlessly protected from unexpected rain showers, falling leaves, and heavy spring pollen, meaning far less time scraping and re-seasoning and much more time actually cooking. Blackstone also massively beefed up the cart design on this particular model, giving it a much more aggressive and rugged stance. During my outdoor testing, I rolled this heavy griddle across uneven grass, cracked patio pavers, and deep gravel driveways, and the sturdy wheels and reinforced frame handled the rough terrain with total confidence. The side shelves have also been drastically upgraded to feel much more robust, easily supporting heavy prep trays loaded with raw meat, marinades, and an entire arsenal of heavy griddle tools without a single hint of bending or wobbling. The heat output on this model remains phenomenally consistent, and I found the temperature control dials to be incredibly precise and responsive. 3. Blackstone Culinary Deluxe Omnivore Griddle. The very first time I cooked on this unit, I was genuinely blown away by the newly engineered Omnivore griddle plate technology. This isn't just a simple cosmetic facelift. It is a fundamental, brilliant redesign of how the griddle captures and distributes its heat. By utilizing a proprietary built-in wind guard and a completely re-engineered bottom plate, this griddle effectively eliminates the frustrating cold spots that heavily plagued older models during windy days out on the patio. The sheer fuel efficiency of this newly designed plate during my testing phase was nothing short of staggering. Because the steel retains its heat so incredibly well, I found myself achieving the exact same blistering high-temperature sears while using significantly less propane. Blackstone claims it uses far less fuel, and my hands-on testing absolutely verified this. A single 20-pound propane tank miraculously lasted through weeks of heavy daily cooking. It heats up much faster, recovers instantly when you drop cold food onto it, and maintains a stunningly even temperature from edge to edge. Aesthetics and usability were clearly a massive priority for Blackstone when they designed the Culinary Deluxe line. The control panel features a sleek, modern, almost indoor appliance-like finish that looks incredibly premium in any high-end outdoor kitchen setup. The upgraded, heavy-duty knobs turn with a satisfying, smooth resistance, allowing for surgical precision when you are dialing in your specific cooking temperatures. I thoroughly enjoyed the premium magnetic tool hooks and the massively expanded side prep shelves, which finally gave me enough room to actually prep a full meal right at the griddle without constantly running back inside of my kitchen counter. 2. Blackstone Griddle with Air Fryer Combo. I have to openly admit, I was incredibly skeptical about combining an electric air fryer with a gas griddle, assuming it was just a gimmicky cash grab designed to sell more units. I could not have been more wrong. During my first weekend of testing this absolute beast, it completely revolutionized my cooking workflow. Being able to fry up a mountain of perfectly crispy French fries in the lower electric air fryer drawers while simultaneously searing off thick, juicy pub burgers on the gas flat top above is an absolute culinary superpower. The air fryer component itself is surprisingly powerful and exceptionally spacious. It utilizes a brilliant dual drawer system that allowed me to cook golden tater tots on one side and spicy, crispy chicken wings on the other, all with completely separate, precise temperature controls. The convection heat circulates beautifully inside the drawers, delivering that coveted deep-fried crunch without needing gallons of messy, expensive cooking oil. Bringing all the side dishes outdoors right alongside the main course completely eliminated the frantic running back and forth between the kitchen oven and the patio, allowing me to finally relax and enjoy my own backyard parties. Up top, the traditional cold-rolled steel griddle performs precisely as a high-end Blackstone should. The heat distribution across the multiple burners is incredibly even, and the overall surface area is massive enough to easily handle neighborhood-sized cookouts. I extensively tested it by cooking a full diner-style breakfast, effortlessly managing a dozen eggs, an entire thick-cut pack of bacon, and a mountain of shredded hash browns all at once. The griddle top recovers its heat rapidly, maintaining a beautiful, aggressive sizzle even when loaded up to its maximum capacity with cold ingredients. 1. Blackstone 36-inch Original Omnivore Griddle. After weeks of relentless testing, hundreds of flipped burgers, massive mountains of fried rice, and countless weekend breakfasts, this is the griddle that stands head and shoulders above the rest of the market. It perfectly marries the massive, unrestrained cooking space of Blackstone's flagship 36-inch platform with their revolutionary, highly fuel-efficient Omnivore plate technology. The sheer amount of real estate this griddle offers is intoxicating. Cooking on it feels less like using a backyard grill and much more like commanding your own professional restaurant station. The thermal performance of the 36-inch Omnivore plate during my heavy stress tests was absolutely flawless in every conceivable way, pumping out an incredibly efficient heat profile across 4 independently controlled burners. It allowed me to create distinct, wide temperature zones with absolute precision. I easily maintained a blazing hot searing zone on the far right for ribeye steaks, a medium-high zone in the center for caramelizing onions, and a gentle, low-temperature safe zone on the left for perfectly toasting delicate brioche buns. The built-in wind guards performed impeccably, maintaining those precise temperatures even during a rather aggressive storm that aggressively rolled through during my cookout. What makes this specific model the absolute best is its pure, uncompromised focus on perfect flat-top cooking. It doesn't try to distract you with pellet hoppers or electric elements. Instead, it pours all its premium engineering into delivering the most robust, warp-resistant, incredibly efficient steel cooking surface money can possibly buy. The initial seasoning process was incredibly fast and beautifully uniform, and within just a few cooks, the surface had developed a beautifully dark, slick, non-stick patina that made flipping delicate fish fillets or sliding sunny-side-up eggs around an absolute joy to experience.